Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys on my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys phone sound and vibration setting guys. And today video title is guys how can we disable guys Samsung phone vibrate while ringing setting. Friends your phone guys vibrate while ringing and guys you don't like guys you want to disable guys you don't want to use Samsung phone guys phone vibrate while ringing setting guys, so you can disable easily. And friends now let's see how can we disable it. So first of all guys you will have to on guys Samsung phone setting to disable guys Samsung phone vibrate while ringing setting guys. After on phone setting guys you can see this tab setting. So once open your guys phone sound and vibration setting. After on phone sound and vibration setting guys you can see guys your easily your vibrate while ringing setting guys. So guys you can see right side this icon guys we will tap here to disable. After disable guys our phone will not vibrate while ringing. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to disable Samsung phone vibrate while ringing setting. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.